Hello, people. Today's video is a very important one, and I'm going to reiterate certain things that I have been saying into my past videos too. Is regarding IELTS. I have find so many people complaining about that we have appeared for IELTS test, say once, twice, thrice, or as many as 5 times also, but they are not able to hit the bullseye. What is the relation between retest, re-examining yourself, and getting the required marks or required bands? I must say that until and unless you have prepared yourself well or under some good mentor, it is likely that if you are preparing the right way, you can get it in the first go or at max in the second attempt. So that's the point that I am making this video. Is like, if you are coming to me and taking the classes online or offline, I can promise you that you can get the required marks within the 2 attempts. It is like that I am accepting this challenge, as I have done in my last videos too, that if you are getting your process done with me, I will be giving you the training free of cost. So I know my work very well since I have been doing this thing for the last, say, 20 years. I have observed so many people coming to me and they are talking that we went to that institute and there was a girl sitting over there. And only one thing I ask them is the age of that teacher. What happens to that is it is likely, and the biggest of all, what happens is that everybody says that the age of the teacher or the tutor was below 25 or below even 30, and she was herself a novice. How come you are able to get a score under her mentorship? So now, what is the base defect? Base defect is your preparation of IELTS. Your preparation was IELTS was under the nose of a person who herself or himself was a student. You approach n number of institutes, we find there the teachers are the students themselves. For profit, these people are employing their own students. They give a fraction of the fees to these people and they are ready to work. Why? Because they are free at that time. And you are not able to comprehend the, say, acumen of a teacher because you yourself are busy with the nitty gritties of that test, because you are not, say, aware enough that the teacher is well educated or not, or rather well experienced or not. Talking about IELTS is like that those who are into this trade for the last, say, 10 years or 15 years will be able to do the justice to you. If you talk about somebody who is just like that, he or she is going into the next semester and she will start teaching you, no way, you will not be able to get the required band. So they do not recall the things that why did this happen. It is just likely that the person who is guiding you was not having substantial acumen, English acumen rather, to help you out. Because where is the defect? You can remove it in English. Everybody is, say, acquainted with English. It is just the test or the style of test that you are going to attempt. It is not likely that you are hearing this English for the first time. So I have this video made for just those people addressing to a particular problem that we find the IELTS impossible to score 8 or 9. I must reiterate this thing. It is not at all impossible. I have so many clients which are having, I cannot say all 9, but I have got many clients who have got at least 3 nines. So, yes, my advice to you people, you get a good mentor to yourself. At least if you are adjudging the person or the mentor, just ask the age. If she is around 25, just run from that institute away. If I talk about myself, I've been into teaching business for since 1991. Though I was not teaching English at that time, but I started this thing in 2000. I started training people for GMAT, for GRE, for IELTS, for TOEFL, etc. So if a person is speaking to you and he is experienced for the last say 2 decades, and you get prepared from me, there will be a substantial difference of scores. If you get prepared yourself from a person who herself or himself is just say to 23 or 24 years of age. So you can well imagine if a person is having a good experience, should only take this job into his hand or her hand, because all your efforts, all your future is dependent on this particular score. If you are having a good score, everything will be like a cakewalk. So I must say that you should prepare yourself from a proper mentor. Ending this video, I must say that if you face certain problems regarding scoring in IELTS in particular, do contact me on the numbers that are flashing above, and I shall be more than happy to help you out. All the best, people. Have a better future. Thank you.